look at this setup, it looks very decent in the sense that two containers have been interconnected by a glass tube and there is a liquid in between, and in both the containers also. Now you observe the tube, that means the test tube has got some air on the upper section and the cork is having a hole for contact with the atmosphere. But this round bottom flask is also having certain air which is trapped, and the cork is having no hole, it is totally airtight. Now after understanding this setup, we will keep it inside the glass container which can make a vacuum. So what I want to do now, carefully I have to place it so that you can have the idea that with a lot of care the work has to be completed, and it has been placed inside the main tube which has got a suction point so that I can engage my suction tube there itself. Now before we suck air, I have to close the upper face. It has been closed, and look, the whole arrangement looks like this. And thereafter I will remove the air from the container, glass container, and you have to observe carefully when I remove, the liquid level inside the upper hanging test tube will change, and the pump is ready. And you please observe carefully, the moment I engage my pump tube into the vent, the liquid in the test tube increases and the liquid in the flask decreases. So what I am doing, you got the point. When I remove the air from inside the glass container, the yellow liquid starts lifting from the round flask through the tube to the glass tube, and the level increases there. And when I allow outside air to enter into, the extra growth of the liquid inside the tube will now decrease, and it will come to normal position again. So for a time being, the liquid in the tube increases and the flask liquid decreases, and thereafter reverse takes place. So now let us discuss why this happens. When I evacuate, the air trapped here inside this flask pressurizes the liquid to go up like this and then fill up this tube. And when the outer air enters, this comes to the normal atmospheric pressure. So this air contracts, and every liquid, the growth, extra liquid will be taken back. So this contracted air and expanding air, that means whenever we evacuate the air from the chamber, this expands, and when we allow the air to go inside, this again contracts. So this air, that means the confined air, behaves like a spring, expands with the removal of the air and contracts with the entry of the air. So thank you for watching.